So question number 4. What was the percent increase in the number of students in University 1 in the year 2011 as compared to the previous year? So the question is, in University 1 in the year 2011, so we have to find the number of students. And then what is the increase, percentage increase? So for that, we have to get the data for the number of students in 2010 also for University 1. And then find the difference and we'll calculate the percentage increase or increase percentage. So we'll have the working slide. So for University 1 in 2011, so what was the number of students? The number of students is 25,000. So it is the third hexagon from outside. So final value is 35,000. So third value will be 25,000. And the previous year, that is in 2010, so what is the value? So it is 20,000. So now we have got two values. So for University 1 in 2011, so what is the number of students? 25,000. So 25,000 students were there in 2011 for University 1. So to find the percent increase, we have to find the data. We have to get the data for 2010 also. So in 2010, how many students were there? So we have the fourth hexagon from outside. The value is 20,000. So in 2010, we had there were 20,000, and in 2011, so there were 25,000. So percentage increase, so that is increase percentage. So we'll write the difference in the numerator, so that is 5,000. And the initial value, the lower value in the denominator. From 20,000, increase is 5,000. So write the base value in the denominator into 100. Now what is the percentage? So cancelling these zeros. So 5, 4 times. So 100 by 4, 25%. The percentage increase from 2010 to 2011 for University 1 is 25%, and answer is option B. So here option B is the answer, that is 25% is the percentage increase for University 1 from 2010 to the year 2011. So we will see the next question. So the question is, in which year was the difference between the number of students in University 1 and the number of students in University 2 highest? So here what is the question? So we are asked to find the difference in both the universities in which year was the highest. So we will have the working slide. So here the data points has been highlighted, and which year the difference is higher. So for which year we have the number of hexagons more, it is 2012. So when you check for 2007, so what is the difference between both the universities? So we have 10,000 difference. So difference between this University 2 and 1, so we have 10,000. For University in the year 2008, the difference is again 10,000. In the year 2009, the difference is again 10,000. For the year 2010, difference between the two universities, it is 5,000. For 2011, difference between the two universities, it is again 5,000. So for all these years, difference between the two universities, that is for 2007, 2008 and 2009, we have the difference 10,000. For 2010 and 2011, difference is 5,000. But for 2012, so what is the difference? That is 15,000. So for which year difference was the highest? So in the year 2012, difference between the two universities, that is the number of students, difference is the highest. So for two universities, the year 2012, the difference is, so we have 3 hexagons apart, so difference is 15,000. For other years, For 2007, 2008 and 2009, so what is the difference between the values for both the universities? That is 10,000. And for the years 2010 and 2011, so difference is 5,000. So for the years 10 and 11, difference between the number of students in both the universities was 5,000. For this 3 years, 2007, 8 and 9, difference between the number of students in both the universities, 10,000. In the year 2012, so difference was 15,000. So in the year 2012, the difference between the number of students both the universities was the highest. And what is the option? It is option E. Option E is 2012. So in this year, number of students was the highest. So friends, so you would have seen for yourself so how easier the question was. So spider chart is the easiest of all the patterns in data interpretation. So don't avoid this question. So just go through the graph and attend the question. It's very simple. We have discussed all the patterns so far. So go by the concepts, understand the question and work out. So attending the spider chart will give you more marks and you will get all the questions correct, all the 5 questions, and it will increase your rank also. So practice well, do well, all the best friends.